In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change text position in DaVinci Resolve. If you want to move text around on your screen and place it exactly where you want it, this is a very simple adjustment once you know where to look. Whether you're trying to center a title, move a caption higher or lower, or fine-tune the placement of text for a cleaner layout, DaVinci Resolve gives you a quick way to do it. To get started, go to your text in the timeline and click on it so it's selected. This is important because DaVinci Resolve needs to know which text layer you want to edit before it shows you the correct controls. Once the text is selected, look to the top right area of the screen and open the Inspector tab. If the inspector is not already visible, just click it to bring up all the settings for the selected text. Inside the inspector, look for the position controls. This is where you can adjust where your text appears on the screen. You'll typically see X and Y values here. These control horizontal and vertical movement. The X value moves your text left and right, while the Y value moves it up and down. To change the position, you can click and drag directly on the X or Y value. Dragging left or right will increase or decrease the number, and you'll see the text move on screen as you do it. This is a great way to make quick visual adjustments and find the right placement without needing to type anything. If you want more precise control, you can also click into the X or Y field and enter values manually. This is especially helpful if you need the text to be placed in an exact position or if you're trying to match the placement of other text elements in your project. Small value changes can make a big difference, so it's worth adjusting carefully until it looks right. And that's it. Once you've changed the X and Y position values, your text will appear in its new location. This is one of the easiest ways to customize titles and on-screen text in DaVinci Resolve. And it's a useful technique to know for almost any type of video project.